The Ministry of Investment and Commerce has been doing a lot of work where MSMEs are concerned.
The rapid expansion of the BPO industry and the employment of many Jamaicans that has followed just reflects that the workplace and general living environment is visibly undergoing fundamental and profound changes.
This improved ranking did not happen by chance. These positive movements are the result of the work across government, coordinated by the National Competitiveness Council.
The SEZs do represent a tried and proven strategy that have been adopted by various countries to develop and diversify their economies.
A COJ amnesty from May to July had companies benefiting from waivers or significant reduction in fees for several processes. The Copyright Amendment Act was passed in June, increasing the protection of local works from 50 to 95 years. Then,
the registration of Jamaican jerk as a GI is therefore only the first step towards increasing the registration of other Jamaican GIs.
We've invested because we believe that the climate is conducive to investment.
All around us, we have seen investments happening from Seprad, Quartz Unicoma, Kingston Walls, Lasco Limited, the Spanish Town Free Zone, and now Cable and Wireless Communication.
The 2015 Jamaica Investment Forum welcomed more than 184 investors, showing them more than $1 billion worth of investment-worthy projects. A few months after that, JAMPRO facilitated a $350 million investment to establish the Spanish Town Free Zone in St. Catherine. In 2015, two companies also expanded offices at the Business Process Outsourcing Facility in Montego Bay, St. James. Other investments included a new multi-million-dollar upgrade to Unicoma Jamaica's Twickenham Close Distribution Center. Seprad Limited commissioned new equipment at its Surge Island plant. And JAMPRO partnered with two private investors to launch Federal Transformer Manufacturing and Consulting Limited in St. Anne. Following amendments to the Dangerous Drugs Act in April, the ministry was integral in setting up a Cannabis Licensing Authority and Cannabis Advisory Business Council. These bodies are guiding the development of a framework for industrial hemp, as well as marijuana for medical, therapeutic, and scientific purposes. In the meantime, the National Export Strategy NES2 was launched, providing guidelines for Jamaica's further penetration in the global market. In July, JAMPRO hosted the inaugural Jamaica Film Festival.
This is not about showcasing Jamaica as a backlot. Been there, done that. It is about connecting Jamaica to the international film industry in a way that makes it a central player and conduit for the delivery of content.
3 entities were merged under a single board in 2015 to advance the growth and development of micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises. Members of the MSME sector also received technical and financial support through the Mobile Business Clinic initiative. In 2015, the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce continued to make Jamaica the place of choice to do business.